Alright folks, well I finally got an artifact laying out, and I'm telling you what, I've had a rough go at it. I did find something interesting yesterday. I didn't film it, but I'll tell you about the stuff. I had to sleep in yesterday. My body just, when my alarm went off, at like 5 a.m. I didn't even hear it. It's the first time I've slept through my alarm in 30 days. My back's been hurting from all the sifting. I'm looking over in here to see if I don't see anything else, so I can get a twofer on video. But I found a flake about this big of Carter Cave right by where I found the Paleo point, sifting it for the second time, and being 4.5 hours from the source, and on a place where there's no other culture even close to that beach, and there's no other culture using Carter Cave Flint over there. I would say 99.9% it's a flake off the manufacturer of a big Clovis era tool, and it's 13,000 years old. It's translucent, you know, it's not worked, but it's got like a platform on it where you can see where they struck it off. And I also found like 5 or 6 pieces of pottery, and one of them is real thin in cross section, and I don't think there's any way it was ever a pot. I think it's a piece off the rim of a 4-inch pipe, but you know, nothing of note. And you know, I know people watching my channel didn't want to just see a flake of flint, so that's why I didn't put it on. But I'll show it, and this is why I didn't film it, but I will show it. It'll be a nice addition to the Clovis frame. But here's a piece of flint, little flake. And right up here, I'll have to get a picture of this and turn it off, I forgot to. But right here I got a little point right here. These rain gullies washed it out. It's some kind of archaic side notch, and it's like a big sandy. Let me get it washed off here. It's not the greatest point I've ever found, but man, I needed this. I sifted from 10:30 yesterday till about 3:30 non-stop like a machine. Took one break to drink a thing of Gatorade and another break to take a drink of water, and went hard all day. Just thought if I keep at it I'll find something, and I did not. Well, I did, but not enough for a video, and that's the goal every day for me. If I'm out, I'm at least trying to find one nice little artifact, and I am trying to get a video every day. But I got one, folks. And it ain't bad. It ain't bad at all. Little big sandy, it's all there. It's a little Tan River pebble chert. The base has light grinding, not much, but a little bit. But that's a pretty nice little point. I just got out. It's probably, the sun's just now up. It's probably, I don't know, 6:35 probably in the morning. Well, anyway, folks, I got one. Later. Alright, I'm back. I just got this frame out because I'm going to lay this flake in there. All this stuff is associated. It's all Paleo. I dug there for hours yesterday from like 10:30 to 3:30. But not all on this place, but I have this place just hammered. I found this flake though yesterday, and it's Carter Cave, and I'm 100% sure that it's a 13,000-year-old flake from the manufacturer of Clovis type tools or something, because I am 4.5 hours from the source. It's a little bit different color, but Carter Cave varies, and it was in different soil samples. This came out of hard packed clay, and this stuff came out of loose stuff. It was more sandy, and it's been laying there a long time, hung up in there, and found this one laying out. But I'll show you the translucency on this. The sun's not out. It's rained all night here, but you can see it there. It's Carter Cave, there isn't any doubt. You can see right here on this tip where they've knocked a piece off of it. And you know, I guess they could have, but that's probably just a big flake. You could use this as a knife. That's really sharp there. But that's a good find for me, and this is all I really found yesterday. Hours of looking, and some pottery shards, which I was going to get them out in there, but if you've seen one pot of your shard, you've seen them about all. They're just all little pieces, none bigger than a quarter. But I was happy to get this. You know, you get back that far in time and you find stuff that's associated. You can't beat that. So this is going in there. I ordered a new frame so I can put that big knife in as well. That's all I got yesterday, so I blanked yesterday except for this, but I love this just because of what it is. It's going to stay right with that stuff, and hopefully I can get more flakes of it in the tool that they made, napping it down there. But cool stuff. Later. For relic Ren, after you put on your paintings, I have some prints from, I guess this guy's name's Alan Fitzpatrick, and Shawnee, Kate. These are original artworks, but they're prints, and they're beautiful. Here's one here, and then you want to come over here, and here's another one. I like your stuff just as good. Captain Pipe. These are historic Indians, you know, late 1700s, but they're nice, and I think you could do really well doing this with yours, and you would have, you know, versus one, multiple ones. I think he was just selling the prints for $25 unframed, and I think you could sell them on YouTube all day long if you made prints of yours and maybe signed your name on them and numbered them. Maybe do $250 a one or $350 and number them all, and keep the art coming. It's beautiful. Later.